ready to finish the year strong and crush your real estate goals. Q4 can be incredibly lucrative if you play your cards right, so let's dive into how to make it your most successful yet. First, understand the Q4 market trends. We typically see motivated buyers and sellers looking to wrap things up before the holidays, so capitalize on that urgency. Analyze your local market data from previous Q4s. What types of properties sold well? What were the average closing times? Use this information to tailor your marketing and target specific neighborhoods. Next up, ramp up your lead generation. Host holiday-themed open houses, offer free market evaluations, and actively engage on social media. Consider running targeted ad campaigns highlighting Q4 specific benefits like tax advantages. Client communication is key. Check in with past clients, send holiday cards, and remind them that you're the go-to resource for all their real estate needs. Personalized communication goes a long way. Finally, prepare your listings with a seasonal touch. Stage homes with warm lighting, cozy decor, and festive accents. These small details can make a big difference in attracting buyers. By focusing on market trends, boosting lead generation, prioritizing client communication, and adding seasonal flair, you can dominate Q4 and end the year with a bang. Now go out there and make it happen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips. #RealEstateGoals, #Q4Success.